And are those winds coming strong out of the gorge right now?
Actually, no, Ken, they're not too bad today. They were a little higher over the weekend. Now, this is a westerly wind, so the opposite of an easterly wind that we get when we get the cold air in the wintertime. In the summer, it reverses and we have westerly winds. So a lot of that smoke moving away from the Portland metro area, but we'll see how it goes the rest of the week. But I don't expect wind to be a significant factor coming up over the next few days. Speaking of wind, no wind down in Seaside right now. Calm conditions. You folks have been socked in with the fog and low clouds. It finally lifted a little bit. I think you should see some sun down there this afternoon. And here's Lincoln City, same situation there. It's still warm though, 66 at both Seaside and Lincoln City. Calm winds there, but a lot more fog and low clouds out there along the coast. No rain though, no rain, which is good. Boy, look at this bright, sunny view here at the Stoller Family Estates Winery down there in wine country, Dundee, Dayton, 76, lots of bright blue skies as we move into August. Current conditions here in Portland, just a few scattered clouds. We'll call it to sunny, mostly sunny, 75 degrees, light wind. And we'll be moving up to around 80 degrees in the 1 o'clock hour, and we'll maintain that into the evening time. 82 is the average high for today, so I think today is going to be about average for this date, which is pretty good. 75 right now, Portland, Salem, 76, Eugene. There's those 60s out there along the coast. 66 at Astoria, 68 at Tillamook. Warm, though, in the Dalles, eastern end of the gorge, 83. Bend at 77, so a lot of sunshine around. There's those low clouds and fog along the coast. Up to the Coast Range crest, but not making it inland. We've cleared out in the valley. We just had a few patchy morning clouds here. Weather headlines coming up today. We'll call it another nice day on the way today with seasonal temperatures. Measurable rainfall, yeah, I think it's likely, at least along the coast, probably in the Portland area, and that'll be on Thursday. It plays out pretty well here. Dry today, lots of sunshine tomorrow. I think we break out of the clouds even quicker on Tuesday and Wednesday, especially for you folks out there along the coast. Scattered to numerous showers on Thursday, and then that's just a one-day event, Ken. Then we're back to dry weather coming up Friday and Saturday with temperatures returning back into the 80s. Drought's a big concern now. We run this from June 1st up to the current day. A lot of severe and even some extreme cases of drought in Oregon and Southwest Washington. So please be careful out there anytime you're around fire during the summertime. All right, Futurecast, let's roll this through. Here's to this afternoon, 4 o'clock. Our model still wants to clear out the coastline, the immediate coastline, so we should see some sun breaks there. Lots of sun in the valley. As we move overnight, the low clouds move back in along the coast, but I think we're going to see less in the way of morning clouds tomorrow. Here's 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. A lot of bright blue sunshine up and down the valley, even out along the coast. A few scattered showers up there in the Coast Range. So all in all, good day coming tomorrow as well as Wednesday. All right, today mostly cloudy, afternoon sunshine today. Temperatures in the 60s and lower 70s. In the valley, a whole lot of sunshine after just those brief morning clouds. Temperatures in the low 80s. A lot of sunshine over there and warm on the east side. Temperatures in the mid and upper 80s. Same thing in the Columbia River Gorge and in the mountains. Temperatures up into the mid and upper 80s. Quick look at the 7-day forecast. A lot of sunshine coming today, tomorrow and Wednesday, then just a few scattered showers on Thursday and cooler, and then a little bit of sunshine coming up next weekend. There'll be more KOIN 6 news coming up.